These are the best StarPets promo codes for March 2025. So first up, if you want 10% off on Robux, then the best StarPets promo code would be AKZLIVE. If you want free pets, then you can claim them using the code STORE. Now, if you want another free pet, you can also try the code New Year 2025. All of them are capital. Please do not put anything that is not capital, which is NEWYEAR 2025. Next up, if you need 10% off on your Robux top up, just use DeepX Live. If you want another free pet, then just use the code Lily, which is LILLY, as you can see. And then the last free pet code would be GAMING, which is Kanna Gaming. This is another code. So these are the promo codes for March 2025. Stay tuned for further more updates. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.